First, we're going to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Using your nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips.
It's about midnight. You come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive could end in burning flames or paradise. Fake interview. Oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you. Heard from you. I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and then we go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that dream.
Goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go.
Now, prep for your press on nails with nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and reusable adhesive putty.
Take me up. Yeah, just take me up. Oh, you got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip plastic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go.
Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Good brown fade and a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style.
Now, shape and buff the fake nails while removing the shine.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me leave, yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now grab an alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking.
This is going to be the gel polish that we're gonna be using today.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit.
Apply a thin layer of gel polish.
High maintenance, everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room,
Cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp.
you win. You're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold.
Cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp.
I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I think justice, put it in the song. Alright.
Apply a second layer of gel polish. The gel top coat that I'm going to be using today is from Gel Beauty, which is one of my favorite nail brands. Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp.
Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, girls want girls. Hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, baby? I grew up with Drea face. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans, they might have called me on a crazy day. Fuck you niggas thinking tryna block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I only vibe with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah.
Now, apply a thin layer of nail rhinestone glue for nails.
Miami need hotel rooms. Niggas tell you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot 42 cause you, hey.
The The natural prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks.
To see you. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staying at the dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I said, yeah, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. Then she is, I gotta stop her. But should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's at the door. I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. Across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're tryna leave, but excuse me, miss. I saved the last dance for you. How I love you, keep you here with me, your baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just 1, 2 step, 1, 2 step. Now with the music, it's moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter, and we're free to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. Saw you from across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're tryna leave, but excuse me, miss. I saved the last dance for you. How I love you, keep you here with me, your baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're tryna leave, but excuse me, miss. I saved the last dance for you. How I love you, keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna do.
Simple, easy, and affordable nails.
Start by saying, oh,